Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Beautiful day. It's a beautiful day.
Good morning, children. Yesterday, you listened to a short story, and then we identified words with short A and short E sound. Now, let's have a review about the previous topic. Say yes if the word has a short A sound and say no if it is not. Let us try to answer this activity. Have you ever been to a garden? What makes the garden beautiful? What can you do with the flowers? Have you ever experienced giving flowers to somebody? Why? What is the occasion? This time, we will read a story entitled Junie and Julie. But before that, let us know the meaning of these words. Junie and Julie. Junie and Julie are twins. One Tuesday morning, they planned to buy flowers. They invited their friend Yumi to go with them, but Yumi refused. When Junie and Julie entered the flower shop, they were amused to see flowers of different colors and sizes. They bought a dozen huge tulips and sunflowers. They cut the stems and gave the flowers to their mother as a birthday gift. Junie and Julie hugged their mother. What are the words with short U sound? Buy, bought, sunflowers, cut, hug. Let us read another story. It is entitled Poor Tony. Then, answer the questions that follow. Poor Tony. Tony had a mole on his nose. He was licking an ice cream in a cone. Tony met a man chasing a dog with a bone. The man was holding a rope. The dog ran into Tony. The bone fell into a hole. Tony's ice cream cone went into his nose. The man threw his rope to catch the dog. The dog jumped into the hole and the rope caught Tony. Poor Tony. Let us read words with short O sound. Lot, drop, got, hop, pop, log, not, dull, fog. Let us try what you learned. Let's have some exercises. To further understand our lesson, let us answer this activity.